Hi, my name is Ainur. Today I will show you how to make paper dandelions using my digital patterns and Cricut. Since the design of the multi-petal dandelion flower is intricate, it would require using a plotter machine like Cricut to cut out the complex shapes. The yellow dandelion flower is rolled up from a spiral part which has side cuts to imitate the multi-petal flower head of the flower. My templates have two options, a simple version for an easier cutting and a more detailed roll design, made to match a real-life flower. The rolled flower is then glued into the green calyx. Or for a fully open flower look, add an additional bottom layer. Start rolling the spiral from the center to the outside. After the glue is set, you can open up the narrow petals by bending them out. Glue the bottom layer either before or after opening up the rolled flower. Let's prepare the green calyx for cutting. The design has lines to be scored with a scoring wheel. Select those grouped lines and assign Score Operation. Now bend the paper along those lines. Always do pre-shaping before gluing. Glue the singular side flap to the other side to make a ring. Apply glue to those bottom bent flaps and stick the part to the bottom shape. Pull the wire through the hole and bend it. Now apply glue to a manually cut piece of paper and glue it on top of the bent wire to fix it to the inside of the calyx. The simpler dandelion design is easier to cut and gives you three options of flower heads. A half-open flower head is made from two identical shapes. Bend the petals along those scored lines to make a shape resembling a pill. Now glue it to the bottom part and then to the sepals. The other options require rolling up the spiral. By not opening up the petals outwards, you can make a closed flower head. Simply apply glue and stick it into the calyx of the flower. The fully open flower has a rolled-on part glued to the bottom piece. Open up the petals when the glue is fully set or completely dry. At the final fruit-bearing stage, dandelion flower head becomes a white fluffy ball. My template for the white dandelion is quite easy to assemble. It's made out of 4 layers and 1 individual seed. Pull the paper wire through and bend the end of it. Now bend the seeds at the bottom of each leg and the sepals too. Glue 2 parts together. Now we assemble the top part of the white flower. Now take the individual seed and bend the leg out. Shape the parachute top manually to make a curved ball form. Put the end of the seed through the cut in the middle of the smallest circular shape and bend it flat. Leave one circular shape flat and bend the seeds of the other two. Now glue them on top of the flat shape with an offset in seeds position. Glue the top and the bottom parts together. After the glue is fully dry, shape the flower head into a ball by rearranging the pre-bent seeds. You can find the digital templates in my Etsy shop. The link is below in the description box under the video. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe.